Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I hope you guys are doing well. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Ashley. So today I am going to show you guys a little bit of a review and swatches. Purchased the Huda palette, the Huda Obsession dupe palettes from Hush.com. So these are what they look like. I obviously took this one out the packaging, but there's 4 of them and they are $10 each. But if you purchase them on shophush.com, you get them for $30, so you save yourself $10. The first one that I have here is Aftershock. I have one that's called After Hours. The next one is After Party, and the last one is After Dark. So the one that I'm going to be talking about today is called Aftershock, which of course is the colorful eyeshadow palette. So right off the back, I just want to let you guys know that this eyeshadow palette is a dupe for the Huda Obsession Electric palette, and I will have a picture somewhere, maybe next. And this is just going to show you a comparison of Bad Habit, which are these palettes right here, the Bad Habit dupes compared to the Huda palettes. Well, talk about the packaging. Super cute, super colorful, super me. The only thing I do not like about it is doing my makeup, it got stained, and I tried to clean it off with the baby wipe and it's just not going anywhere, and I don't even know what it is. So right off the back, I don't like that, but anyways, who cares, right? So we're gonna open her up, and this is what she looks like. So as you can see, you get a really nice size, decent mirror, which is awesome. These are the eyeshadows right here, super beautiful. Now, I do not own any of the Huda palettes, but right off the back, I do want to mention that I feel like you get more packaging with this palette. I feel like it is like a little bit more bigger than the Huda palette. And like the shadows in the Huda palette are more close together, whereas this one they're more separated. So you're actually just getting more package than you are eyeshadow. But that's really not a problem to me because, again, this is $10, so you really can't go wrong. So talking about the colors, look at how gorgeous they are. They're so beautiful, so beautiful. So this really caught my attention, like right off the back. When I first saw it, I was like, I need it in my life, just because of the color combination and just it being colorful. I really like that. So I did create this look that I'm wearing today with this actual palette. If you're interested in seeing that, then you guys are going to have to just stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't already, and it should be up within the week or so. So definitely, let me know. As far as the other eyeshadow palettes go, I want to individually review each and every one of them and also create a look. So definitely let me know which one you would like to see next, the After Dark, the After Hours, or the After Party. Let me know which one you want to see next, and I'll go ahead and review it for you. Or if you just want to just wait for them as they come, then you can do that also. I just want to let you guys know that creating this look, it was very easy to blend. Like, none of the colors were chalky, none of the colors were rough and tugged on my skin. They were all fairly easy to blend, and surprisingly, this in my opinion has worked better than a lot of high-end products I have purchased. So I feel like for $10 you cannot go wrong. Do not pass this up. Purchase it. I'm like trying to beg you to purchase it because you will be so happy with this palette. This is the first one I have played with and I'm obsessed with it. Like, this is like the best $10 I have ever spent on a palette. Not kidding you. Let's go ahead and swatch, right? That's what you're here for, right? The swatches. I'm gonna go ahead and start this way. So we're gonna take the red, we're gonna take that one, and we're gonna take this teal. So let's do, okay, so we're gonna do the red. That's more of like a burgundy color. Then this one, my swatches are gonna suck, you guys. Let me bring you guys in closer. And then we're gonna do the teal. Are the first 3. The red, it's more of like a raspberry kind of burgundy tone, and then you have this one, which is like a nice fuchsia, and then you have that dark teal color, which has been very popular lately in palettes. So beautiful. Next, we're gonna go in with that teal, we're gonna go in with that yellow, and that coral orange. So let's do the teal. Oh my god, these swatches are pathetic. So there's the teal, there's the yellow. That's a really nice yellow. I find that some yellows in palettes can be very like chalky and not pigmented at all, but that's a beautiful yellow. And then the next color is a beautiful coral orange color. So freaking beautiful. I love it. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the last row. And again, I want you guys to keep in mind that this is just one finger swatch. Definitely just imagine it building up the color. So going down my arm, we're going to go with the blue, which looks almost like a royal purple kind of color. Then we'll go in with the purple shimmer. That's really, really pretty. And then we'll go in with the last pink. So as you can see, these are the swatches. Again, keep in mind they are just one little finger swipe. So if you build them up, they will be a little bit more pigmented. And my arm is not primed at all. This is just naked, you know. So as you can see, these shimmers and the mattes are so pretty pigmented, and they all blend in very nicely, and which is really nice for a $10 palette. I have not used the red or like some of the metallic shades, but I feel like for the most part they're all really fairly easy to work with. The yellow is like the color that has surprised me the most because, like I mentioned, some of the yellows in some palettes can be very chalky and just really hard to work with. But this yellow is really nice. If you're looking for like a yellow, I would definitely, you know, recommend this palette. This is definitely a palette that I recommend if you're looking for something that's cheap, if you're looking to experiment with color, or if you're just like a makeup collector like myself. This is a palette that I highly recommend that you purchase while it's still hot. If you're a beginner or whether you're used to working with eyeshadows, I feel like this palette is something that can just benefit everybody. I feel like everybody could work with this because, again, it's not a hard palette to work with, and it's just so pretty, it's so beautiful. Even if you're not someone who usually picks up colorful eyeshadows, I feel like these eyeshadows right here can always be like, you know, popped in the inner corner on the lower lash line, just like that little pop of color that you need in your life. You can definitely get it with this palette, and it's super affordable. That's with these eyeshadows, and I really do feel like you have to try it for yourself and see what I'm talking about, because I can sit here all day and explain to you guys how much I love it and how creamy and buttery these eyeshadows are for $10, but I really feel like you need to try it out for yourself. Like, you really have to try it out for yourself to appreciate it, because I'm honestly like in love with it, like not even kidding you. I absolutely love it. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys are interested in the other palettes and reviews and swatches, then definitely subscribe to my channel and stay tuned, as well as this eye look should be up within the next week. So you definitely want to subscribe so you don't miss out. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.